First reading, James chapter 2 verse 1 to 9. My brethren, have not the faith of our Lord Jesus Christ of glory with respect of persons. For if there shall come into your assembly a man having a golden ring, in fine apparel, and there shall come in also a poor man in mean attire, and you have respect to him that is clothed with the fine apparel, and shall say to him, Sit thou here well, but say to the poor man, Stand thou there, or sit under my footstool. Do you not judge within yourselves, and are become judges of unjust thoughts? Hearken, my dearest brethren, hath not God chosen the poor in this world, rich in faith, and heirs of the kingdom which God hath promised to them that love him? But you have dishonored the poor man. Do not the rich oppress you by might? And do not they draw you before the judgment seats? Do not they blaspheme the good name that is invoked upon you? If then you fulfill the royal law, according to the scriptures, Thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself, you do well. But if you have respect to persons, you commit sin, being reproved by the law as transgressors. Psalms chapter 34 verse 2 to 7. I will bless the Lord at all times, his praise shall be always in my mouth. In the Lord shall my soul be praised, let the meek hear and rejoice. O magnify the Lord with me, and let us extol his name together. I sought the Lord, and he heard me, and he delivered me from all my troubles. Come ye to him and be enlightened, and your faces shall not be confounded. This poor man cried, and the Lord heard him, and saved him out of all his troubles. Gospel, Mark chapter 8 verse 27 to 33. And Jesus went out, and his disciples, into the towns of Caesarea Philippi. And in the way, he asked his disciples, saying to them, Whom do men say that I am? Who answered him, saying, John the Baptist, but some Elias, and others as one of the prophets. Then he saith to them, But whom do you say that I am? Peter answering said to him, Thou art the Christ. And he strictly charged them that they should not tell any man of him. And he began to teach them, that the Son of Man must suffer many things, and be rejected by the ancients and by the high priests, and the scribes, and be killed, and after 3 days rise again. And he spoke the word openly. And Peter taking him, began to rebuke him. Who turning about and seeing his disciples, threatened Peter, saying, Go behind me, Satan, because thou savorest not the things that are of God, but that are of men.